So, hello everybody! Wait a second. Hello everyone! Hi there! Welcome to this video. I thought I would like to share some of my favorite hairstyles with you. Some of my very favorite hairstyles that I'm regularly wearing. So, stay tuned, stay tuned. Normally I'm wearing my hair out the way it is right now, as you can see it. How I get this look, that's what I'm showing you in one of my videos. I don't know, like somewhere there or there is the box where you get it. You get what I mean. So somewhere here it's gonna appear in the frame. There I'm showing you how I get those twists in the front of my head. Oh man, like, I don't know, is it very cringy? Sometimes I feel like, English is not my mother tongue. Obviously, it's not my first language.
But I'm always like, what do people from America or from the United Kingdom or like Australia or so, like, what do you guys think? Like, is it very cringy? Or is it okay? Like, is it watchable? Or listenable. I don't even know if that's a word, but like, okay, never mind, let's get back to the video.
So this here is, I guess, 4-day-old hair already. Yeah, I think it's 4-day-old hair already. Big old fro. I really love that style. At some point there's the moment when I need to wash it or pull it up. So the last step before washing my hair is always I pull it up all together to a high puff, afro puff, or another hairstyle. That's the point when I really get more creative with my hairstyles, because let me tell you that one. As soon as I'm pulling them together, this style is done. It's done. Of course I can try to redo and refresh the curls and all that jazz, but like at the end of the day, before I do that, I wash them and then they're fresh, and it's not like so much more work, Alright, so basically what we need for the hairstyles is we need some bobby pins, we need like a headscarf, and we need hair bands. See you! Now for the first hairstyle, I keep my twists in the front and start clipping back the rest of my hair so that it's not in the way. As you can see, I have those twists in the front row. Basically, during most of my hairstyles, I keep them. It doesn't really matter what hairstyle you're doing. Most basic hairstyle gets a little bit upgraded by those little details, it kind of gives them a little bit more sprinkle, a little spark. So that's the reason why most of the times I keep them. Now I take each twist one by one and start curling them up. Make little buns out of them. And then I take a bobby pin and secure them. But you're not letting me. Same thing for the other side. After having them secured, I am left with 2 twisted buns in the front. Now I open the clips and start pulling out a little bit of hair, a tiny section next to my ear on each side. I now try to split up my hair into 2 halves. Then I take a hairband and try to pull the upper half of my hair together into one high puff. I just wanna be your bride. In case I don't like the form or like the shape of different individual curls, I simply refine them and recurl them. Yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'm that's the finished look. Let me know what you think about it. So hairstyle number 2 is pretty similar. It's very easy to go from here. This is second hairband. Now I take the brush, make it wet a little bit, and brush my hair on the sides back for a sleeker look. Now I take a hairband and try to make a ponytail out of the hair that was left out in the back. Now you can pretty much shape and form it exactly the way you want it to look like. So that's the second look of Roadhog. Now welcome to the next hairstyle. First off, for this look, I need to take the front section of my hair, which is normally in twists, and secure it with a hairband. Now you can use water as I did or gel and brush upwards starting from the back of your head. So now again, I take a hairband and try to pull all the left out hair into one high puff. I have the front hair right here, so I'm going to secure this one right there. Now, your girl got bangs! Now again, shape and form it exactly the way you want it. If this one is too long, I simply take a bobby pin and pin it up. So this is how I actually do it and manage those curls to look the way I want them to look like, you know. A little bit of a sleeker look. You can take gel or anything you want actually. Most of the times I use the Hairstyler styling gel, but I don't have anything here right now, so I'm only using water and some bobby pins. Now that's how I got the bangs. You can simply take a headscarf. I simply folded it around. So I made a knot in the front of it, you know, here. So what you can do now basically is you can also take a bobby pin, for example, and secure it there. Folded it and knotted it around, and now I simply make a little bow out of it. Now you have a little bow on top of it. This looks like little ears, you know, little cat ears or something. Now there we go with the last style, which is a high puff with twists. I've got that hair section. I'm gonna split it, and now I simply twist. I do not like to use too much gel or too many bobby pins, to be honest. Like, yeah, because they get lost so quickly in my hair. And like another option for me is I actually just take those twists, all right, and I knot them in the back. And now I take one bobby pin and I pin it down. I have those little twists right here. And the thing is, every single time if something back down there stands away, like the small hairs, you know, I pull it underneath the twist, you know, so that it's hidden and sleek. That's it. Side note, I always really wanted to have straight hair. Growing up in a society where not a lot of people had similar hair texture or like a similar family background, it was really tough at times because like I really love my mom. She really took so much care of my hair. But the only thing is she never really knew how to properly style my hair, you know? So looking back at pictures of myself during my childhood, like you're gonna see me always wearing the same hairstyle, literally every single time, 2 braids. As soon as my hair was long enough to braid it, my mom did 2 braids, and that's like pretty much the hairstyle I wore literally every single day. I grew up not liking the way I looked because of my hair, and obviously also because like all the other girls had like straight hair, all the other girls, you know, looked just different, more like the European beauty standard, I would say. So it was like, growing up I always thought, okay, straight hair is the way to go, and or wavy hair, but like not curly hair or not the hair I had. So that was really, at times, really sad, and looking back, it's just so absurd. I straight ironed or flat ironed my hair so much that I destroyed my hair, you know, for such a long period of my life, trying to look like someone else, more or less, and not accepting me the way I am. A few years back, when I really started to embrace my roots and started to embrace my natural hair and, you know, my natural self, more or less, you know, the way I am, and celebrating it a lot more, that's when I really started to look up some tips and tricks how to actually style my hair. I started my search on YouTube. That's the reason why I'm doing this video right now, trying to find someone else like me with a similar hair texture, someone who could show me that it's not just black and white, that it's not just there's straight hair and that it's perfect, and then there's curly hair and it's very problematic and it's difficult and blah blah blah. That's not it at all, you know. And ever since, I appreciate my hair so much more because I know now that it's special, it should be celebrated, and you can do so much more than I could have ever thought that I could do with my hair. If it's one thing that I want you guys to remember from this video, then it's appreciate yourself, appreciate your hair, and be kind to yourself. Don't be afraid to be bold, to be creative, to swim against the mass, or like the storm. You know what I mean. That's the take-home message of this video. Don't let anybody tell you straight ironing your hair is the only way to go or is the only style, alright? Because that's not true. So that's it for the take-home message. Let's get back to the video. So thank you all guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching me trying out different hairstyles or trying to show you my favorite ones. Hope you stick around and join the family as usual. And I hope you got inspired. Let me know in the comments what hairstyle is your very favorite. Have a wonderful day, night, whenever you're watching this. I really appreciate you guys and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Oh, and please leave me a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe.